see in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside our device box with which device comes. So the first thing that was sure our device, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and inside the box we got only one paper box. Here we got this SIM jack tool, and inside of this box we got only the quick start guide, the USB, the Type-C cable, and also I think we got here like the warranty letter. So that's it. That's all the box accessories with which our Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.